Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crazy Gamer. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change language in Honor of Kings. To change your language setting in Honor of Kings, first of all, open up the Honor of Kings application on your device. From the home page, tap on the gear button at the top right corner. This will open up the settings menu from where you'll need to tap on language option. Now from the language menu, go ahead and tap on the language that you want to change to. You will need to download the language source pack. Simply tap the confirm button to start the download. After downloading the chosen language source pack, you can then click on the confirm button, which will restart the game in order to change your language. And that way, you can easily change your language setting in Honor of Kings. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I'll be back in the next video. Stay tuned till then.